Hey guys, welcome back to a quick episode of Talking eBay. I want to show you a couple things I got at an estate sale. Now, I always talk to you about sourcing, estate sales, going the last day. I practice what I preach. So there was an estate sale locally in my area. They're starting up again. And this is what I got yesterday. I went the last day, the last couple of hours left, and I want to show you what I got. Now, a lot of times this place was wiped out. They had awesome stuff and everything was super expensive, so I knew I wasn't going to go there. But I went like I said, the last day, the last couple of hours, and pretty much at that point, they really want to sell everything. There was really nothing left to speak of, but I went and looked around, went into the garage. There was some doors in the back, went and looked around, and I picked up this radio. It was just shoved in the corner. Just a nice little Zenith, old school Zenith radio. It's probably from the late 60s, 70s. I don't think it's Bakelite. I think this might be. But this does work. I checked it out. It does work. And it works. This has to be cleaned up a little bit with a little static, and that's easy enough to fix. And that's super nice, and that was great. And I bundled it. So I kept on looking and went into the basement. The basement was dark and dingy, and I had to use my flashlight, and I found this. Now, if you don't know what this is, if you're too young, and if you're older like me, this is an old school TV antenna years ago they would use for TVs. You turn the knob, and it turns the antenna. But now, today they use these for really, really popular with ham radios. I think it's ham radios. They tune the antenna to do a shortwave radio. So this is super brand new in the box, never opened, sitting in the basement by itself, all alone. And I said, wow, that is fantastic. Old Radio Shack, Tandy. It's sealed. You can see it's all sealed, never opened, just sitting there. So I grabbed this. And one more thing I picked up was this little carriage light, brass, made in the United States, all beautiful. They call these a carriage light. Take a look at that. So I got these three things here, and I brought them up to the guy. Nothing was priced because last day, everything was crazy priced, this stuff here. So I said, how much for this stuff? He says, oh, give me $15. I said, nah. I said, this is all, I don't know if the radio works. I said, I have to check everything out. He goes, what? He goes, what is this? I said, this is like an old fashioned antenna thing. So remember, not everybody knows everything. This guy was an auctioneer. He was a younger guy. He doesn't know about old technology. So this stuff to him was worthless. So for you, as you watch this channel, you know this is $200, okay, all day. This is new. Even used at like $100. I'm going to get two for this. I'm going to sell this for 60, and I'm going to sell this for around 30, okay? All this stuff here, I said, I'll give you $5. He goes, I don't know if anything works. He goes, just take it. It's fine. Last day, they wanted to get rid of everything, and this is what I got here. Roughly $300 worth of stuff for $5. Go to the estate sales, go the last day, look around. Don't be afraid to go in the doors and the closets, move people around, doesn't matter. Look in the basements, look all around. This is what you find. This is the stuff here. This is the golden money that people leave behind because people think this is junk, old school technology. Nobody wants it. Who wants an old radio? People collect these. Who wants the carriage light? People love these in the back of their old home. Beautiful, fantastic stuff here, guys. So I hope you learned something. Don't forget to listen to my podcast, Talking eBay, on the channel. Also check out the podcast on Spotify. And if you didn't check that eBay update, check out that video as well on Talking eBay. I have the whole replay of the eBay conference, the spring seller update. eBay is going to be in person. But I just wanted to show you what I got just the other day. Simple. Sharp money, returned, a huge return, a little bit of effort, cleaning. Just check out the light. Even if it's broken, I guarantee everything will work. Even if this doesn't work, you can sell this for $20. So people like this kind of stuff. Don't be afraid to source, and don't be afraid to put out offers. Just keep looking, keep sourcing. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and follow. I appreciate everyone who's following me. I really appreciate that. And I hope you're learning a lot from my channel. I really do. Make it a great day, and thanks for watching.